disproportionately lowered the birth rates of the highly educated, the career-focused, the quote-unquote fit that she wanted to see reproduce more, creating the very idiocracy scenario she claimed to want to prevent.
So the people defending her now, who might call Idiocracy eugenicist,
are, according to the sources, missing the fact that the film depicts the unintended, voluntary dysgenic outcome of the policies Sanger herself championed. It's a complete flip. Her methods achieve the opposite of her stated goals. And this massive backfire is showing up most obviously in the fertility numbers. I mean, this isn't some slow, gentle decline we're talking about.
No, the global TFR, total fertility rate, that's the average number of kids a woman has. It's cratered from almost 5 back in the mid-50s.
Right, around 4.9.
To now, what, 2.3 globally. And that drop really accelerated after the 1960s, didn't it? Right when the pill became widespread and more women entered the workforce full-time.
The timing lines up almost perfectly, the sources insist. And the truly scary number, the one that should keep demographers up at night, is the sustainability thing.
You mean the replacement rate, 2.1?
Yeah, 2.1 TFR is what you need just to keep the population stable, ignoring immigration. And the data point that's just chilling is no country that has dropped significantly below 2.1 has ever managed to sustainably get back above it.
Never.
Never sustainably. Like Japan, South Korea. South Korea is down at like 0.7 now. It's unbelievable. This isn't just a blip. The sources frame it as a potential long-term extinction trajectory for entire civilizations. And they argue it's constantly underestimated.
So what are the strongest drivers, according to this analysis, if you had to pinpoint the causes?
Well, when analysts look at correlations, the sources highlight 2 factors that have the strongest inverse correlation with birth rates, meaning as these go up, birth rates go down.
Okay, what are they?
Female education levels and, crucially, sexual freedom combined with contraception availability.
So education and freedom lead to fewer babies.
That's the statistical link. And contraception is singled out as the key enabling technology. The sources estimate it's causally responsible for maybe 20 to 30% of the TFR drop in developed countries because it gives women unprecedented control, allows them to delay or just opt out of childbearing entirely without the immediate social or biological consequences that used to exist.
And this tech, this control, has amplified that mating asymmetry you mentioned, favoring the serpent.
Turbocharged it, yeah. You just have to look at the brutal math coming out of online dating, which the sources see as reflecting and maybe even magnifying these dynamics.
What's the data show there?
It's pretty stark. Sources cite studies showing that on apps like Tinder, guys tend to swipe right or like a lot more profiles. Maybe they swipe left on less than 40% of women they see.
Okay. Relatively non-selective.
Right. Women, on the other hand, they swipe left reject on upwards of 95% of male profiles.